Hey y'all, Jennifer O'Brien here, your favorite golfing realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. I want to tell you about some exciting news I have. We just made a massive price reduction on an oceanfront home on Dewees Island. It's 255 Pelican Flight Drive, now listed at $2.199 million. Now this is the best deal you're gonna get on any island near Charleston. This home is 4,096 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it sits just under 2 acres. It's about 1.86 acres. You have a wide open ocean view. It's an inverted floor plan. So that means all of your guest rooms are gonna be on your first livable floor, and then your primary bedroom, your kitchen, living, that's gonna be on the second floor. And then this home also has a bonus room on the top level with a outdoor deck. Absolutely amazing with the views from every level. There is a dedicated office space for anyone who still is working. You can kind of tuck yourself away and get some work done, although it does overlook the live oaks, so I know I would be pretty distracted checking out all the birds and things that are visiting me while I am working. Now, my favorite part of this house is the open concept kitchen. You have a giant butler's pantry, a grilling porch, which is very perfect for anyone who loves to grill. Just step right outside of the kitchen and you have your space designed right there for you. And then you have a oversized granite island that really has room. The sellers right now have it set up with seating for 6, but you could certainly fit more. And you've got a grand screened-in porch that is large enough for dining and lounging. So there's some couches out there and then an additional deck off of that. Now, the Dewees Island is a private island. It is just a 15-minute ferry ride from the Isle of Palms, and that is a private ferry. The only folks that can come over to the island are going to be islanders and their guests. And this home also is amazing because it's going to be sold with all of the furniture, all of the kitchenware, everything you see in this home will come with it. There's also 3 golf carts. So again, massive price reduction, best deal in all of Charleston for oceanfront, especially at 4,000 square feet. I'll leave the link to the house below, but don't be shy, reach out with any questions and we'll set up a tour to take you out there.